Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You must have ownership or explicit permission before removing any copyright marks. Do not proceed otherwise. Once confirmed, duplicate the file and work only on the copy so the original stays intact. Open the image at full size and inspect the watermark. Note whether it's over texture, shadow, or a uniform background. First actionable steps: isolate the region with a selection tool, add a new empty layer for non-destructive edits, and save a versioned backup before touching pixels. Once done inspecting, start reconstructing pixels with non-destructive tools. For simple, uniform backgrounds, use content-aware fill to replace the watermark area, and refine with the patch tool to blend edges. For textured or photographic regions, switch to clone stamp and healing brush on a separate layer. Sample nearby texture and work in small strokes to avoid repeating patterns. Make sure to vary source points and use layer masks so you can reveal or hide corrections. When the reconstruction looks seamless, fine-tune color and lighting to integrate the area. Use curves, levels, or camera raw on adjustment layers clipped to your correction layers. Once satisfied, save a layered PSD for future edits and export a flattened copy for delivery. If artifacts or repeating patterns still appear, perform frequency separation to handle texture versus color separately, or step back and rework the clone source. Troubleshooting tip: if blending fails, revert to the saved copy and try smaller, incremental corrections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.